1. Biological molecules are essential for life. 2. The four main types are carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and nucleic acids. 3. Carbohydrates contain carbon, C, hydrogen, H, and oxygen, O. 4. The general formula for carbohydrates is CHO. 5. Carbohydrates provide quick energy. 6. Monosaccharides are single-unit sugars. 7. Examples of monosaccharides: glucose, fructose, galactose. 8. Glucose is the main energy source for cells. 9. Fructose is found in fruits. 10. Galactose is present in milk. 11. Disaccharides contain 2 monosaccharides. 12. Examples of disaccharides: sucrose, lactose, maltose. 13. Sucrose equals glucose plus fructose. 14. Lactose equals glucose plus galactose. 15. Maltose equals glucose plus glucose. 16. Polysaccharides are large carbohydrate molecules. 17. Starch is the storage form of glucose in plants. 18. Glycogen is the storage form of glucose in animals. 19. Cellulose forms the cell wall of plants. 20. Chitin is found in fungal cell walls and exoskeletons of insects. 21. Carbohydrates form glycosidic bonds. 22. Benedict's test is used to detect reducing sugars. 23. Iodine test detects starch, blue-black color. 24. Carbohydrates provide 4 kilocalories per gram of energy. 25. Proteins are composed of amino acids. 26. Amino acids contain an amino group, NH, carboxyl group, COOH, and R group. 27. There are 20 different amino acids in proteins. 28. Essential amino acids must be obtained from the diet. 29. Non-essential amino acids can be made by the body. 30. Proteins are linked by peptide bonds. 31. Peptide bonds form by dehydration synthesis. 32. Proteins have primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary structures. 33. Hemoglobin transports oxygen in blood. 34. Collagen is found in skin and connective tissues. 35. Keratin is present in hair and nails. 36. Myosin and actin help in muscle contraction. 37. Enzymes are biological catalysts. 38. Enzymes speed up reactions by lowering activation energy. 39. Each enzyme acts on a specific substrate. 40. The active site is the region where the substrate binds. 41. The lock and key model explains enzyme specificity. 42. The induced fit model explains how enzymes adjust shape for better fit. 43. Enzyme activity is affected by temperature and pH. 44. High temperatures cause denaturation of enzymes. 45. Pepsin works in the acidic environment of the stomach. 46. Amylase breaks down starch. 47. Protease breaks down proteins. 48. Lipase breaks down lipids. 49. DNA polymerase is essential for DNA replication. 50. ATP synthase is required for ATP production. 51. Lipids are hydrophobic molecules. 52. Lipids contain carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. 53. Fats and oils are composed of glycerol and fatty acids. 54. Saturated fats lack double bonds and are solid at room temperature. 55. Unsaturated fats have one or more double bonds and are liquid. 56. Trans fats are artificially hydrogenated fats. 57. Lipids store 9 kilocalories per gram of energy. 58. Phospholipids form cell membranes. 59. A phospholipid has a hydrophilic head and hydrophobic tails. 60. Cholesterol maintains membrane fluidity. 61. Steroids act as hormones, e.g., testosterone, estrogen. 62. Waxes provide waterproofing in plants and animals. 63. Nucleic acids store genetic information. 64. DNA is a double-stranded helix. 65. RNA is single-stranded. 66. DNA contains deoxyribose sugar. 67. RNA contains ribose sugar. 68. DNA has adenine, thymine, cytosine, guanine. 69. RNA has uracil instead of thymine. 70. DNA replication is semi-conservative. 71. mRNA carries instructions for protein synthesis. 72. tRNA brings amino acids to ribosomes. 73. rRNA forms part of ribosomes. 74. ATP is the energy currency of cells. 75. ATP consists of adenine, ribose, and 3-phosphate groups. 76. ATP releases energy when converted to ADP plus pi. 77. Carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids are macromolecules. 78. Water is polar and forms hydrogen bonds. 79. Water has a high specific heat capacity. 80. Water is a universal solvent. 81. pH is a measure of hydrogen ion concentration. 82. pH less than 7 is acidic. 83. pH greater than 7 is basic. 84. Buffers help maintain pH balance. 85. The carbon cycle regulates CO exchange in nature. 86. Cellular respiration produces ATP from glucose. 87. Photosynthesis converts sunlight into glucose. 88. Autotrophs produce their own food. 89. Heterotrophs consume other organisms. 90. Metabolism includes all chemical reactions in a cell. 91. Catabolism breaks down molecules for energy. 92. Anabolism builds complex molecules. 93. Glycolysis occurs in the cytoplasm. 94. The Krebs cycle occurs in mitochondria. 95. The electron transport chain produces ATP. 96. Fermentation produces ATP without oxygen. 97. Lactic acid fermentation occurs in mussels. 98. Alcoholic fermentation occurs in yeast. 99. DNA mutations can lead to genetic disorders. 100. The pancreas produces digestive enzymes. 101. The liver detoxifies substances. 102. The small intestine absorbs nutrients. 103. The large intestine absorbs water. 104. Blood transports oxygen and nutrients. 105. Hormones regulate metabolism. 106. Insulin lowers blood glucose. 107. Glucagon raises blood glucose. 108. Thyroid hormones regulate metabolism. 109. Proteins help in immune responses. 110. Lipids form cell membranes. 111. Enzymes function at optimal pH. 112. ATP is required for active transport. 113. Proteins act as enzymes and hormones. 114. Lipids provide insulation and cushioning. 115. Carbohydrates are quick energy sources. 116. Cholesterol is a precursor for hormones. 117. Glycogen is stored in the liver and muscles. 118. DNA controls cell activities. 119. RNA is involved in protein synthesis. 120. ATP is produced in mitochondria. Contact number for MDCAT classes and notes: 030482300356, 031716522228.